Hi everyone. In this video we are going to install Windows Server 2022. So we'll be installing the evaluation version of Windows Server 2022 and we will use this VMware as our hypervisor. And now for installation, first we need to download the ISO image file. For this I'm going to google.com and here we can write simply the Windows Server 2022 and then we can write evaluation or Microsoft Evaluation Center. Microsoft Evaluation. So now you can see we should have some link here where we can download Windows Server 2022. So I'm going to click on very first link here, maybe this one. So click there and then we'll land here on this page and you can see this is the English and the ISO download 64-bit edition. So we are going to download this ISO image which we need to install in our VMware. So simply click on this file and after this file has started downloading on my local machine and it may take some time. So we have to wait for that until we have this ISO file. And after a wait of 20 to 25 minutes, that ISO image file has been downloaded. You can see here this green tick and this file has been downloaded in my downloads folder. So you can see this is the file, ISO image file, which I just downloaded. And now after installing this Windows Server 2022 in our VMware, we have to bring this VMware here and then we have to click on create a new virtual machine. And then we are selecting this typical option here, click next. And now we are going to select that I will install the operating system later, this option. So this virtual machine will be created with a blank hard disk. So we are going to select this option and then we select next. And then we are selecting Microsoft Windows here because we are installing Windows based machine. And here we can select this Windows Server. Let's say Windows Server, this is 2022. If we don't have any option for this, maybe we can select this Windows Server 2019 and then we click on next and then it's asking for its name. So virtual machine name, we are going to give it a name, Windows Server 2022, and this is the location. So this is the location where our virtual machine file they will be created there. So I have selected this D drive and you can change it as per your requirement. And now we just click next. And now this has shown us that the virtual machine's hard disk is stored as one or more files on the host computer. You can read the recommendations, but it says that store virtual disk as a single file or you want to split virtual disk into multiple files. So we are going to select that this can be created on multiple files and click next. And here you can see we have all the options which we have selected. So this is the name of that machine and this is the location and this is the version number and hard disk which has been selected, and rest of the options you can read here. And then we also have to give the location of our ISO file. So for this maybe we can click here custom hardware and then in this CD DVD option we click auto detect. So instead of auto detecting we can select the ISO image file. So click there and then we say browse and here we have to give the path and that path is this location in our downloads folder. Open and then say close, and once we have done all these things, we have made all the selections, we just have to click finish and after this we can see the initial configurations. And now for installation we have to make sure that this ISO file has been selected, the location has been already selected. So I'm going to select this again here and you can see this the ISO image file which has already been selected for us. I mean we have already selected this by ourselves. Click OK and then we have to power on this virtual machine. And this has started installing it and you can see this the first window which appears is this and it is asking us to select language. So language to install, that is English, is already selected, which we want to select, and then we just click next here and then click install now. And depending of course on the speed of our computer, it may take time. And here on this window, we are going to select the second option, and you can see the details of these different options in the description section. So we are going to select the next option, that is Windows Server 2022 Standard Evaluation. So we are going to select this desktop experience and then click next. And here we have to accept the Microsoft software license terms and then click next. And in this we have to just select the custom option, install Microsoft Server operating system only, and then we just have to select this. So this drive is already selected, and then we click next. And now you can see this has started the actual process of installing. You can see installing Microsoft Server operating system, and then this is first step is to copy Microsoft Server operating system files, and you can see getting files ready. So it may take some time. We have to wait for this so that all these steps are complete. It will restart, and now you can see it is restarting. You can see this is the first window which appears, and in this window it's asking us to type a password for the built-in administrator account that you can use to sign in and to this computer. So username will be administrator, and what password you want to select, so that's up to you, whatever password you choose here. So I'm going to select very simple password here so that I remember it, and then when we will try to log in into this system, we will be using this password. And after this, maybe scroll down here, we click on finish. Your password you type doesn't meet the password complexity requirement, so I actually really use very simple password. So maybe I need to change this. So maybe as an administrator we need to type a strong password, so I'm going to use some strong password now. And click finish. And now this is the first time we can see this screen, so I'm going to click here and it's a press Alt Control Delete to unlock. So maybe we can click there, and then we can say send Alt Control Delete, click there, and now as you can see it's asking for the password, so password and go. So this is the first time we are entering in our Windows Server 2022. And again, depending on our speed or computer, it may take some time to load it. Yes, so this is the first time that we can see our Windows Server 2022, and there is one more option which we have in something more which we have to do, so that this screen should be able to see it on our complete screen. So for that we need to install VMware tools. This is still loading here, you can see this. Yes, it's giving us some window where we can configure or we can set further options here, but we are not going to configure these options in this video. Maybe we'll be doing in our future videos. At the moment we are not selecting anything. I'm going to minimize this, and now I'm going to install this VMware tool, so that these required supporting drivers should be installed there. So for this we are going to click on VM, and then we say install VMware tools, and here you can see this installation has not been started, and you can see this has already given us some options. So it says that click start run in your virtual machine and enter D and setup.exe. And so we are going to click there maybe, and here says we have to maybe go to our full screen. So this is the full screen, and here we just have to say D and this and setup 64.exe. We are going to click there, and now you can see this has started installing. And now this is installing the required VMware tools for us. It may take some time, and then we can see the whole screen, our the complete screen filled up with this. Click next, typical next, install. And now this has been installed. We just have to click finish, and now you can say it says that you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to VMware tool. So we are going to say yes, and it will restart finally, and everything will be installed there, and VMware tools will be installed, so that we will be able to see the complete screen, the whole screen of our computer filled in with our virtual machine. So this is starting for us. And now we again have to press Ctrl Alt Delete to give password. So I'm going to type the password which I used. Click there, and now this is our Windows Server 2022 ready for us, and maybe blank screen, just a few moments. Yes, so this is there. So what we have done, we have installed Windows Server 2022 evaluation version. You can see here Windows Server 2022 standard evaluation version, Windows license valid for 180 days, and you can read details here. So now we can actually configure, let's say, other things here also. We can configure this Windows Server for different operations. We can configure, for example, for DHCP or Active Directory, which we'll be doing maybe in our future videos. But at the moment we have this Windows Server 2022 ready for us to use, and this we used with this we installed in our VMware. Right, so we can see the whole screen filled in with this, and hopefully this video may be helpful for some of you. Thank you for your time. Hope to see you in some of our future videos.